Here we have a 4x6 Cedar Rapids jaw crusher. Hasn't been greased. It's been sitting for, I don't know, a good 15-20 years. It spins freely. As you can see, the jaws move. Hopper is removable. So this jaw can easily handle, 8-inch long rocks like this chunk of ore right here. So I mean, simply in the hopper, you chuck these in, eats it down. Currently, the hopper is removable. So you can see the jaws spinning freely. You hear that crunching sound. We don't have a motor hooked up, but if I throw some rocks in there, you can hear the jaws crushing. Four legs are intact. It's a close-up of the jaws and the grease points. So the jaws are a bit rusty. These are plates that bolt in here. So the plates are over 1 inch thick, so there's a lot of steel here. The surface is a bit rusty from sitting. After running a bunch of rocks, some of the rust might chip off. Probably run just fine. However, if too much wears off, there's still enough good steel to where you could hard face the wear plates and or replace them. It's up to you. So this is a Cedar Rapids Universal Crusher. The only real downsides I can see to this machine, it would run as is, hook up a motor, start crushing rocks. You can hear it crunching right now. Got some little rocks in there. But if you want to use the hopper, I was taking it apart to rebuild the machine. I was going to sandblast it, make it all pretty. When I was taking the hopper off, the threaded bolts, I got these two loose, no problem, but these two I sheared off. So one would have to just, weld a nut on here, loosen them up, heat it, back it out, and or we got 2 free holes that would work just fine. Crusher weighs somewhere in the range of, I don't know, 200 to 300 pounds. It's super heavy duty. This will be a solid workhorse. Can run it as is, lube it up, throw some rocks in there if you want to restore it and have a $2,000-3,000 plus crusher. This is a beautiful project. Pickups near Leadville, Colorado. Thanks. So full disclosure, this is a heavy-duty crusher. It would run as is. However, it would be best suited as a project. Some of the bolts are rusted, the plates need work. If you want to adjust the width of the jaw, you're going to have to loosen up the bolts in the back. It's going to take some torch work and some penetrating oil. However, when this thing is complete, it's going to be a beauty and crush like a maniac. So this is roughly a 3-inch by 8-inch chunk of ore, and this crusher will accept this no problem. Drop it in and zoom, 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 eat it up.